Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody are okay and everyone are good and happy in their life. So if someone want to talk with me here in the live, I can invite any person here to talk with me. So ladies and gentlemen, today I am here in the forest among the nature. I love the nature and the trees and the ocean, the sounds of the birds and many kind of greenery and the mountains you can see. And if anyone want to talk with me here, I want to show the nature. This is what I want to do. Welcome to my broadcast. My name is Ishi Khan. I am from Pakistan and living in the Chitral. This is my very beautiful village where we are living and enjoying the nature. So guys, if anyone want to join me, want to talk with me here, I am here to talk and to show the nature of the earth, how the Almighty, hello Anna FBI, my love, my all world, how are you, my darling, my the most beautiful darling, my the most beautiful girl, my all world, my university, my ocean, my sky, my all world. I come to the forest, I bring my cow to here for eating the grasses, and so I decide to do something here like this that in the YouTube I want to come live and to show the nature to the people. Thank you very much. You are fine. Okay, very well. Are you at work now, my love? Are you at work, my love? How is going by you? Are you in the car or are you in the workplace? My air conditioner is not yet. Oh, okay, okay. Moja žono, moja skarbija, moja srce, moja tak chico hambarzo, moja alvar. I'm missing you so much. You are mine. Do you remember? Oh, drive carefully during the driving. Don't use the phone. Don't use the phone during the driving, my love. It is very, very dangerous for your driving and the rules, and this is illegal that you are using your phone during the driving. This is so very dangerous. My air conditioner, very